Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher. How to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is create a child garden. And to do this activity, you will just need a few items that can easily be obtained. Now, you can do a garden with a child of any age. It can be a toddler, it can be an older child. If you don't have a backyard, you can do this project with a planter box. You will also need some child-friendly tools like a small rake, a small shovel, and maybe a small hoe. You will need to dedicate a section of your garden if you have a backyard, or as I said, if you don't, get a planter box, put some soil in it, and you can use that. First, model how to use garden tools and show the child what to do. The rake, a hoe, a shovel. Then decide with your child what they want to plant. Now, I would encourage you to try vegetables in lieu of flowers. Take the child to a store and buy some seeds or some small seedling plants. Encourage your child to choose less familiar plants. So if you're doing a vegetable garden section, encourage them to try something like spinach or kale or Swiss chard, a vegetable that they may not normally be familiar eating or be familiar with. Then have the child plant the seeds. Make sure to remind them that the seeds must be watered and that you need to provide them some sunshine or light. When the plants are growing, as you come nearer to the time of harvesting them, you're going to want to set a good example for the child and remind them of the way you must treat plants with care. Harvesting them is going to be a real treat because you can bring them into the home, and then if they are edible plants, you can gather round and create a family recipe with those plants. So this is a good opportunity to use the summer months as an extended period of learning about garden. Hope you've had fun with this activity. Please do hit subscribe and click to get new teaching lessons all the time, every Friday in all different subjects. And check out my website, www.littlemisshistory.com, for all different types of resources that will be of benefit to your family. Till we meet again, bye.